So ChatGPT 5 is finally here. And if you've already spent some time using it, you may have noticed its lower latency. But that's not what we're going to talk about here. We're going to unravel the top 9 features of this release and see how they can specifically be a game changer for 5 key industries: technology, finance, retail, healthcare, and manufacturing. So if you're in any of these industries, not only will you get to know of the existence of these features, you'll also know exactly how you and your team can use them in your practice and extract the greatest value from AI to accomplish things better, faster, and in a way you hadn't imagined before. So let's dive into this right away and look at the top 9 features of GPT-5 relevant to your area of work. The first one is multimodal understanding and interaction. What this means is, GPT-5 can work with different types of information at once, like text, pictures, audio, and video. Your business can now automate tasks that involve various formats together, such as analyzing customer emails alongside product photos, all in one place. Example, a retail company can use GPT-5 to analyze customer emails, product images, and recorded voice feedback simultaneously. This enables automated sentiment analysis and personalized marketing campaigns without needing separate tools for each data type. Let's look at how this benefits the industries we've shortlisted. Technology, a software company can analyze customer bug reports, text, screenshots, images, and recorded user sessions, video, simultaneously to prioritize fixes. Finance, a bank can process voice calls, written complaints, and scan documents together to speed up fraud detection. Retail, a retailer can analyze customer reviews, product photos, and social media videos to tailor marketing campaigns. Healthcare, a hospital can process patient intake forms, diagnostic images, and doctor's notes concurrently for faster diagnosis. Manufacturing, a factory can monitor equipment logs, camera feeds, and audio alerts together to predict maintenance needs. How to achieve this? Begin by identifying the data types your business regularly uses and map workflows where these intersect. Integrate GPT-5 with pipelines that consolidate these inputs. Collaborate with data scientists to fine-tune the model on your datasets. Train teams to interpret multimodal outputs and start with pilot projects focused on high-impact areas before scaling. Let's now move on to the second feature: enhanced contextual awareness and memory. GPT-5 remembers details from past conversations better than before. This helps provide more personalized and consistent responses to customers, making interactions smoother and reducing repeated questions. Example, a customer service manager can leverage GPT-5's ability to remember past interactions with clients across multiple touchpoints. This allows chatbots to provide tailored support based on historical context, reducing repeat queries and improving customer satisfaction. Let's see how industries can benefit from this. Technology, by resolving common issues through contextual understanding and memory, GPT-5 can minimize the requirement of human agents to handle simpler requests and help in reducing support ticket volume. Finance, a financial advisor bot can track a client's investment history and preferences across interactions. Retail, customer service chatbots can remember past purchases to recommend relevant products. Healthcare, patient portals can maintain a history of symptoms and treatments for more accurate follow-ups. Manufacturing, maintenance systems can track historical machine performance to optimize repair schedules. How to achieve? Deploy GPT-5 within CRM and service platforms where long-term history is critical. Feed historical interaction data as context during conversations, ensuring privacy compliance. Train teams to use AI assistants that leverage memory for personalized experiences. Continuously monitor and refine the model's context handling. We now move on to the third feature: advanced reasoning and decision support. GPT-5 can think through complex problems step by step and understand specialized topics. This makes it useful for helping with things like planning strategies, checking compliance, or analyzing tricky situations where simpler AI models might struggle. Example, a financial services firm can assess complex regulatory documents, identify compliance risks, and generate actionable summaries. This accelerates risk management workflows and helps executives make informed decisions faster. How does this help the industries we've chosen? Technology: a software firm can rapidly evaluate architectural trade-offs for system scalability. Finance: banks can quickly analyze regulatory documents and highlight compliance risks. Retail: retail chains can optimize supply chain strategies considering fluctuating demand. Healthcare: medical researchers can quickly assess drug interaction risks and suggest protocols. Manufacturing: plant managers can simulate production schedules under resource constraints. How to accomplish this? Identify complex processes needing multi-step reasoning. Collaborate with domain experts to curate relevant training data. Use GPT-5 as a decision support tool providing explainable insights. Embed AI into workflows to augment human judgment and train users to critically interpret AI outputs. Let's move to the fourth feature: enhanced coding capabilities. GPT-5 significantly improves its ability to assist with coding tasks, including debugging, algorithm optimization, and generating software modules. This advancement streamlines workflows for developers, reduces operational costs, and accelerates time to market for software products. Example: a software development manager at a fintech company working on this release can accelerate the coding process. When developers encounter complex bugs or performance bottlenecks, they input the problematic code segment into GPT-5. The model not only identifies the root cause but also suggests optimized algorithms and alternative code snippets that improve efficiency. Additionally, the model can generate fully functional modules for routine features, enabling developers to focus on higher-value tasks like architecture design and security enhancements. This results in faster release cycles, lower development costs, and improved software quality. Let's see how industries benefit from it. Technology: developers at a SaaS company can debug complex API integrations and generate microservices faster. Finance: fintech teams can write secure transaction processing code and optimize algorithms for risk calculations. Retail: e-commerce platforms can automate feature development for inventory management. Healthcare: health tech companies can generate compliant patient data management software modules. Manufacturing: automation engineers can script control logic for robotics and optimize machine interfaces. How to get this done? Integrate GPT-5 into development environments via APIs or plugins for seamless interaction. Train developers on prompt engineering and AI-assisted coding practices. Create fine-tuning datasets with proprietary coding styles and frameworks to enhance relevance. Maintain code review standards to ensure quality and security. Moving on to the fifth feature: improved fine-tuning and customization at scale. GPT-5 is easier to tailor to your company's specific language, style, and processes. This means you can get an AI that feels like it truly understands your business, works faster, and gives more accurate results without lengthy setup times. Example: a healthcare provider can train GPT-5 to understand specific medical terminology and internal workflows. This accelerates the automation of patient intake forms, internal reporting, and clinical documentation with high accuracy, reducing manual effort. Let's extend this to the industries we've shortlisted. Technology: a cloud services provider can fine-tune this release on internal documentation and technical jargon to assist support teams. Finance: a bank can train this version for its unique compliance language and customer interaction scripts. Retail: a fashion retailer can train this release to reflect brand voice in marketing and customer engagement. Healthcare: a hospital can train this model for clinical terminology and internal workflow automation. Manufacturing: an automotive manufacturer can train this model to handle engineering specifications and maintenance protocols. How do we do all this? Assess key areas for AI customization impact. Form cross-functional teams to develop fine-tuning datasets reflecting your industry terms and workflows. Use iterative training to optimize model performance efficiently. Pilot and gather feedback before broader deployment, ensuring brand and compliance alignment. Let's now discuss the sixth feature: personalized AI assistance with emotional intelligence. GPT-5 can detect and appropriately respond to user emotions and tone, allowing it to adapt communication style dynamically. Example: a sales manager can use GPT-5-powered assistance to engage prospects by recognizing frustration or hesitation in messages and adjusting the conversation tone, offering reassurances or simplified explanations, resulting in higher lead conversion rates. Let's see how this applies to the industries we've chosen. Technology: a software firm can create sales bots that adjust tone when prospects show hesitation and provide reassurance. Finance: banking chatbots can recognize frustration in clients' messages and offer simplified guidance. Retail assistants can detect customer dissatisfaction and escalate issues proactively. Healthcare: virtual health coaches can respond empathetically to patient anxiety during consultations. Manufacturing: support bots can recognize urgency in operators' alerts and prioritize responses accordingly. How can we achieve this? Incorporate sentiment and emotion detection in GPT-5 deployments. Train the AI on varied emotional communication examples. Build adaptive dialogue systems adjusting tone and complexity dynamically. Align AI behavior with brand communication standards and train teams to collaborate with AI assistants. Measure the impact and refine the model regularly. We now move on to the 7th feature: intelligent autonomous agents for workflow automation. GPT-5 introduces advanced agentic AI capabilities that enable it to autonomously manage complex workflows and execute multi-step tasks across diverse systems with minimal human intervention. These intelligent agents can coordinate actions, make decisions, and adapt dynamically to changing conditions, significantly improving operational efficiency. Example: a customer service manager can deploy autonomous agents to handle support tickets end-to-end, from logging issues and assigning resources to updating customers and closing tickets, across multiple platforms like CRM and IT service management systems. This automation reduces resolution times and frees up staff to focus on higher-value interactions. Let's see how our chosen industries benefit from this. Technology: AI agents can autonomously manage software release pipelines, coordinating code merges, testing, and deployment. Finance: banking AI agents can handle loan approvals end-to-end, including verification, risk scoring, and customer updates. Retail systems can automate inventory replenishment by analyzing sales trends and placing orders. Healthcare AI can manage patient appointment scheduling, reminders, and follow-ups across platforms. Manufacturing: production agents can coordinate supply orders, equipment scheduling, and quality checks autonomously. How to achieve? Map multi-step business processes fit for automation. Integrate GPT-5 with enterprise platforms via APIs for seamless data flow and task execution. Define business rules and exception protocols. Train teams to collaborate with AI agents and monitor performance to optimize workflows. We now move on to the 8th feature: multilingual mastery with domain precision. GPT-5 offers superior multilingual support with industry-specific accuracy, enabling global business operations. Example: a global marketing director can generate culturally appropriate and legally compliant marketing content in multiple languages, such as financial disclosures or pharmaceutical product descriptions, without requiring extensive local teams. Let's see how this makes a difference to our chosen industries. Technology: tech companies can generate localized software documentation and support content for global markets. Finance: financial institutions can produce compliant, localized investment disclosures in multiple languages. Retailers can create culturally relevant product descriptions and marketing materials worldwide. Healthcare: pharma companies can translate clinical trial results and patient education materials accurately. Manufacturers can localize user manuals and safety instructions for diverse regions. How to achieve this? Identify critical languages and domain vocabularies. Fine-tune GPT-5 on multilingual corpora with industry content. Collaborate with local experts for validation. Implement feedback loops for continuous improvement. deploy and localization workflows, and multilingual customer support. And finally, we'll talk about the last of the top 9 features of this release: explainability and compliance transparency. GPT-5 includes built-in capabilities to explain its recommendations and content generation processes, aiding auditability and regulatory compliance. Example: a compliance officer can generate reports on AI-driven loan approvals, with transparent rationales and risk assessments, facilitating regulatory reviews and internal governance. How will people in the chosen industries benefit? Technology: IT compliance teams can review AI-generated security reports with clear rationale for flagged vulnerabilities. Finance: banks can produce transparent audit trails for AI-driven credit risk assessments. Retail: retailers can document AI-based pricing decisions to meet regulatory requirements. Healthcare: hospitals can maintain clear explanations for AI-suggested treatment plans to support medical audits. Manufacturing: quality assurance teams can validate AI-driven defect detection processes with explainability features. How to accomplish this? Use GPT-5 tools designed for interpretability and audit logging. Embed explainability in AI interfaces for user transparency. Train compliance teams on reviewing AI outputs. Integrate outputs with governance platforms. Establish responsible AI policies emphasizing transparency. So that's it for now. We hope you gain the maximum benefits from GPT-5 and experience the results soon enough in your area of work. If you found this video informative and insightful enough, do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.